In this video, I will show you how to create a new Gmail email account. So if you want to create a new account for personal use, or maybe you just want to create one for a business, then follow along with me as I show you how to do this. To get started, what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your current Google account, and then once you're on google.com or your Gmail, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon where it says Google account, and what you need to do is come down to the bottom of your signed in emails. You're going to see an option here to add another account. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, of course, we want to create an account. We don't want to sign in. So if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see a blue create account link. Give that a click, and then it's going to ask if you want to create this for personal use, for a child, or for work or business. In this example, I'm just going to select for personal use, and then what you can do is enter your first and last name into the next box here. Once you've done that, click next at the bottom, and on the next screen you just want to enter your birthday and gender, and then click next at the bottom. Now what's going to happen, it's going to suggest some email addresses that you can use, or you can create your own one if you want to. So in this example, I'm just going to create my own one. What I'm going to do is call it TTYT, and then if it's available it's going to tell you. If not, then it's going to come up with this, or of course you want to make sure you've got the appropriate number of characters as well. But as you can see in this example, that one's not allowed. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and change this. So let's call it something like this, and then click next. Once you've done that, the final thing you need to do is enter a password. So you just want to enter a password here and confirm it, and then click next. Then what you need to do is enter a phone number, and you want to make sure this number is correct, as they will send a verification code which you'll need to enter to verify your account. So just enter that into the box here and then click next. So I can't actually use my phone number, but basically once you've verified your phone number, it's going to ask you to complete the setup. So all you would do is finish the steps, and once you've gone through them, you'll be good to go and have a new Gmail email account. So that is how to create a new Gmail email account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.